To do a CIP on this filler, you have to go into manual, lower your cylinders so that they're down inside of the container, like this. Okay. And you switch to the service tab, and you'll get this screen. Go to CIP enable, turn that to on, and all of your timers will come up. As soon as make CIP made auto. Drain tank timer is 2 minutes. That can change longer depending on how much you need to drain. Your nozzles clean timer is how long the pump will run your cleaner through the nozzle. And then you can drain your tank again. And then your filler pump speed right there is to do the spray balls. Once you've established your timers, which will take a few times to kind of figure out where you need to put it based on your product, you might be able to run more than one cycle. Right now we only have it in one. To start the process, you hit start. As soon as you hit start, it's going to drain the tank. Once the tank's drained for 2 minutes, it'll clean the nozzles for 1 minute. When that's done, it'll drain the tank again, and then it'll run through the spray balls. On the back of the machine, this is your tank drain valve, your product supply valve, and your CIP spray ball valve. So right now I've went ahead and started the cycle. You can hear the spray balls turning. That inside the tank is a ball that's spraying in circles, and it's rinsing off the sides here. That's going to fill up. As you can see, that's open. So you can see that turned off, and now it's draining. So after the tank's drained and been spray balled rinsed, your third valve opens, which feeds to the filler, goes to the pump, through your nozzles, and back into the tank. And that rinses out your entire fluid pack. This is what it's doing right now. And again, that's a timer that you set. You can have it go for 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever it is you need to get it to clean out.